Hi Brainbox. Welcome to Brainbox YouTube channel. As we continue our discussion on verbs, we will also be discussing tenses. But before we continue, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to keep you posted about other review topics. You can also avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. Verb tenses indicate when the action took place. This may pertain to an action that happened in the past, is happening in the present, or will happen in the future. Generally, tenses are either past, present, or future. The first three tenses we will describe are the simple tenses. The following are the type of simple tenses, their uses, and examples. The first one is the simple present tense. This is the base or simple form of the verb. Common usage of this tense are the following. A. It declares general, universal and true statements. B. Describes the regular or permanent features of one's life. C. Describes an event which depends on a fixed timetable or scheme. D. Describes states. Next is the simple past tense, which is a type of action that happened in the past. This means that the action has stopped and is not happening in the present. On the other hand, the simple future tense is used to show an action that will take place in the future. The next three types of tenses fall under the progressive tense. Progressive tenses pertain to actions that are unfinished. The first type of this is the present progressive tense. A present progressive tense pertains to an action that is ongoing at the moment. The next one is the past progressive tense, which indicates that something was happening at one point in time when another event happened. We also have the future progressive tense, which shows that an action will continue to happen in the future or will definitely occur at a certain time. Aside from the 6 tenses discussed, we also have the perfect tenses, which are also classified into 3. The first one is the present perfect tense, which pertains to actions that were completed, perfected or finished. Present perfect tenses are actions that are completed in the past. This may also pertain to actions that are habitual or are continued in the present. The second type is the past perfect tense. It describes an action that occurred in the past or happened before another action was completed. The two actions are different and separate from each other since one occurred before the other. The third type is the future perfect tense, which shows that an action must happen at a future time. The last 3 types of tenses are categorized under perfect progressive tenses. Perfect progressive tenses are actions that were, are, or will continuously occur and were, are, or will be completed at a later time. The present perfect progressive tense indicates an action that occurred and began in the past but is continuing in the present. Meanwhile, the past perfect progressive tense is used when a past continuous action has been replaced by another past action. And lastly, future perfect progressive tense is used to tell an action that will continuously happen when a certain time arrives. Now, since we have thoroughly discussed tenses, let us try to expound our knowledge by answering this practice set. Number 1. Tacloban City, blank, its appearance since 2013. A. Is changing. B. Changed. C. Has changed. In this sentence, the correct answer is, has changed, since this shows an action that happened before and is still done until the present. Number 2. She, blank, the television every evening. A. Watches. B. Is watch. C. Is watching. The correct answer is watches, since this pertains to a simple present action. Number 3. She, blank, since lunch. A. Sleep. B. Sleeping. C. Has been sleeping. Has been sleeping is the correct answer, since this indicates that the action is still ongoing. That's all for today. Share this video for others to learn too. If you want to learn more, you can avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.